So this is a big hawthorn that I collected 6 years ago in 2019, just before I turned 50, and it's fair to say it's one of the biggest hawthorns that I've collected. This short reel just shows the process of repotting the tree yesterday with the help of apprentice Toby Wilson. Now this is autumn repotting, and the purpose of it is the tree can grow plenty of new roots in the next 6 weeks before the leaves drop. And next year it shouldn't miss a beat. I should get full growth from early spring instead of the tree spending the first months of next year growing new roots. It was important to remove all of the old ground soil that I'd retained to ensure that the tree recovered from collection. And after a very tight squeeze into its new metre wide pot, we used a mixture of pumice, chopped bark with a tiny bit of akadama. This is a very safe time of year to repot deciduous trees, as the transpiration from the leaves is minimal. Our day temperatures are now down to an average of 15 degrees and single fingers at night. The hawthorn will now be left out in the garden on display, ready for me to style when the leaves drop.